Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the variable offset. So let's start. First, we are going to identify the difference between the offset surface and variable offset. Now, as per the definition of offset surface, it is going to say as it is going to create a body by offsetting a set of faces. So it is going to create a surface by offsetting a set of surfaces. That means we can have multiple faces at a time. Like here, I am giving the offset as 0.4 with the multiple faces like this. So this is the application of offset surface and I'm just going to click on it. Just color this so that we can identify in the graphics window. Now the purple one is the offset surface. Now let's start with the variable offset surface. So just memorize this definition that it is creating a body by offsetting a set of surfaces. Now, if I just go to the variable offset and you will get the variable offset in the surface, then just go to the base group, then go to more. In more, just go to offset and here you will find the command of variable offset. As per the definition, it is going to say as offsets a face with a distance that may vary over 4 points. So, what's the basic difference? In offset, you are just creating the offset of the faces. And here you are creating the offset of a face with a distance that may vary over 4 points. That means the variation would be at 4 points. Now, let's start with the demonstration. Just click on this. So, I'm just going to reset this. Now I'm just going to select this face. Here comes the 4 arrows and these are the points at where you can change the value. Now I'm just going to change the value to 0.1, which is the highlighted one, this one. So I'm just going to put the value as 0.1 here and here also I'm just going to put the value as 0.1. Now for these locations, that means for this location and for this location, I'm just going to change it as 2 inch and this one also as 2 inch. Now just click on OK. Now you can see this is how variable offset works. Here we have different value, here we have different value, here we have different value and here we have different value. So at 4 locations, we have different values. Now I'm just going to show you something. Just focus on this edge like this. So I'm just going to have some changes here. Just go to edit with rollback and in settings, I'm just going to keep it as cubic. Now you can see earlier it was like this. So it is having the linear connection. Now it is going to have the cubic connection like this. So it is joining the changes cubically. So this is how you can manipulate the edge or manipulate the connection between the points. Like this is the first point, then we have the second point here, then we have the third point here, and then we have the fourth point. So this is how it is going to join those points. So that is all regarding the variable offset. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.